This week we discover sea turtle nesting sites on deserted islands and enjoy living the good life in less travelled anchorages.
Welcome back to All the Stars Sailing Adventures. If you're enjoying our videos, please give them a like and subscribe to our channel so we can keep you updated.
We are at Chance Bay. It's a beautiful morning. Rach and I are going to go and have breakfast over on the little table.
Yay.
And we're meeting up with our mate Iggy. So yeah, we're going to walk across to Whitehaven.
Yay!
That'll be cool.
Wow.
Dinner sorted, yeah. Ashley. One advantage of having an onshore breeze at Whitehaven Beach was there was a total lack of tourists. Where have we just left from, Rach?
We just left Chance Bay on the Whitsundays or Whitsunday Island for a nice easy day sail over to Thomas Island, darling.
Nice. That was a good stay there. I really like Chance Bay.
Yeah, even with all the people. It was just a really lovely little bay.
Yeah.
And the walk around to Whitehaven.
Yeah, that was cool.
So nice. Yeah.
Very lucky.
Beautiful soft sand.
What do you call this style?
Salad.
Yay. Here we are at our little anchorage. Thomas Island.
Beautiful little beach. It's just you can't see it past the beautiful shade.
Yeah. And there's Iggy. Just showing up. Throwing his anchor in.
Well, I enjoyed the peace of a deserted Thomas Island. Jess and Iggy explored the underwater world.
We were just marvelling at our jam collection, weren't we?
I think that's come all the way from Burmese.
Yeah.
We got
Bought
that
at
at the little
market.
freight. Yeah.
Burgundy Market. So thanks, Mrs. Arkwright. Glad I said that right. Caramelised onion jam, tomato.
Yum. How good would that be on sausages? Oh my
that
god.
would be really good.
That'd be so good on sausages. You better get some sausages.
I'm gonna get some sausages. So we're all packing up now, ready to head off from this lovely island, Olympus Island. And we are heading for Goldsmith. We might just make a stop there and have a swim around and keep going. Because we're going to try and make distance to get to Brampton so that we can get to Mackay in the morning, yeah? Tuesday morning. So, yeah. Guess what's happening on Wednesday?
Someone's hopping off the boat.
Oh, Rach is departing the good ship,
Yeah.
heading home to ride her ponies.
Very sad.
Yeah.
Sad, happy, sad. Happy, sad.
Yeah. It was a good time. Got lots of good memories. And we shall regroup next year. So I'm going to keep sailing the boat south for a couple of weeks. I think we've already talked about that, haven't we?
I don't know.
Yeah. A stale Oreo?
Yeah. You want one?
No, I'm okay, thanks. These beautiful islands. We're not really sailing, we're motoring, aren't we? Hi, Rach. We're just arriving at Curlew Island. Wow. Just pulled up on the southern side of Curlew and we're anchored in 8 or 9 metres and we think it's a little bit corally down there, but we're going to go ashore and have a look at the beach because we thought we could see some turtle tracks. So really keen to check that out before the sun sets. And we're the only one here, so we've got the anchorage to ourselves, which is great. They're turtle tracks, aren't they?
Yeah.
That's the second.
Looks like it was the last high tide.
Yeah, and that's the second set of turtle tracks we've seen. So we've probably missed out on this one by like 12 hours.
Yeah.
Wow. Look at this, Rach. Big beautiful turtle. Buried her eggs here.
Wow. So fresh.
Look how much sand she's kicked.
Oh, that's amazing to think how much sand they move. And in around all of this.
Yeah.
Like
She's come in. You can see the tracks went up. Was it up this way? Maybe it was up this way. And down that way. And far out, there's a whole lot of sand.
that's so much sand. It's amazing, every single one of these islands, all the beaches, they all have so much rubbish. Everywhere is just plastic. Like you can't walk on a beach and not find a piece of plastic, and what washes up is ridiculous. Like there's barrels and stuff in there behind me. It's just like...
Fishing net, Rach?
Hey?
Fishing net?
Yeah.
Someone's been around here and just collected the rubbish and put it in one pile, which is better than nothing. Plastic water bottles.
If everyone just stopped using single-use plastics, like plastic water bottles, the amount of rubbish that is bottle tops or plastic water bottles is just ridiculous.
Well, a lot of countries don't have rubbish collection.
No.
It just gets swept up and thrown into the canals or the
That's
beaches.
it. I wonder how many countries rubbish we've got washing up here.
Oh, all over the world.
Yeah.
Yep.
Now I get it. It looks like I'm just rowing.
It's like you did all the hard work.
I know.
This water is so clear. Huge turtle right here.
Yay!
Personal best trout. Not that it's that big, but it's got dinner.
That's definitely dinner. Yeah, it is really blue, isn't it? Wow. Join us next week as we take you on a boat tour of all the stars and problem solve an annoyingly persistent starter motor issue. I've never met a street pigeon before. I had no idea.
Yeah, well, you've been living in denial, lady. You're messing with me, Jared the street pigeon.